Hey, what is up, everybody? This is John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing? And in tonight's video, we're going to be going over a Boost Mobile experience that I had recently. I literally went and I had Wendy's for lunch, and then I went to Boost Mobile store and I just asked some questions. And I want you guys to determine from a scale of 1 to 10 what kind of customer service did I get. All right. I'm going to tell you right now, guys, that I don't know if I got the best customer service experience, but I want you guys to be the judge. I don't want to jump to conclusions. So let's go ahead and roll the intro and let's get started. Alrighty, guys, and before we do get started, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below. I know you're watching this live. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So comment down below anything you want to see in this video, or let me know that you're here watching this live with me. And also there's a nice little dollar sign thing down below. You can go ahead and throw a little tip my way, or you can actually do a super thanks on any of my videos after the fact. So hey, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it now that we've got all those shenanigans out of the way. So basically, here I am. I pop into the Boost Mobile store right here, and I'm just kind of waiting my turn because there's a lady there, and she's pretty distraught. So this is the thing. It's a pretty small store. There's one guy there. Don't know his name. Don't care to know. I'm not here to get anybody in trouble. I'm just here to share the customer experience that I got. Anyways, so I'm in there and I'm just kind of minding my own business, waiting for waiting for my turn. And this dude is trying to buy her iPhone for some reason. Let's take a look or take a listen.
I'll sell it at T-Mobile store. See if they can have it. They can unlock it. If they can unlock it, I'll buy it for you.
So it's kind of weird. Like, I don't know. I don't understand. Like, that's what he kept on saying. He's like, go to a T-Mobile store, try to get it unlocked, and then I'll buy it. Like, this lady's in here trying to get her iPhone cut on with Boost Mobile. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand. Like, what is the deal with you trying to buy this lady's phone? Like, she's in a Boost Mobile store to get service through Boost Mobile or to get her phone activated. Um, and I don't know the intentions here, but I'm pretty sure what this person was trying to do. I'm not saying that 100%. This is exactly what they were trying to do, but I'm pretty sure they're trying to buy this phone from this lady, this distraught lady, unlocked for dirt cheap. Give her like $50, $100. Tell her to scram. You know what I'm saying? Put her on the cheapest phone possible, and then now they have like an iPhone 12 or 13 unlocked, and they give her $100 and then they sell it for 500, make like a $400 profit. So this is the problem, guys. It's like these stores, they're not pawn shops. You know what I'm saying? You're there to provide a service and a business, not these side deals. I don't understand why it goes on so much, but it is what it is.
And that'll help you get.
So let's continue to listen in.
Lock it, then she can use it, right? With Boost.
So here I am, trying to save her, trying to give her the idea like, hey, if they unlock your phone, then you can use it for Boost Mobile. That's why you're in here. So, and then she kind of wised up and she was like, all right, I'm not gonna sell my phone here. I didn't want to flat out say, hey, freaking. I didn't want to flat out say, hey, you're gonna get ripped off or whatever the case may be. You should probably not try to sell it here, but
Uh, I understand. Sorry. Yeah. I have Verizon prepaid, and
so here I am. I just telling them that I'm just setting up the deal here. Like, okay, I got Verizon prepaid. I'm telling them, basically I told them Verizon prepaid, so I know that if I port in, I'll be able to port in that number or whatever, get a deal here, right? So, and of course, I'm trying to get the cheapest deal possible. Um, as usual, I did the same thing at Metro. I'm not pulling no punches here for Boost. Not pulling no punches. I'm not doing anything different. I'm literally just saying, hey, I got Verizon prepaid. I want you guys to focus in here quickly. I got Verizon prepaid. I have Cricket Wireless Unlimited. I don't want to touch Cricket Wireless Unlimited. I just want something, you know what I'm saying, something to get me by, basically, just a secondary line. So here we go.
Um, I have Cricket Wireless. Um, I have Cricket Wireless Unlimited, but Verizon Prepaid. I just have it as a backup kind of thing, you know. So I wanted to see like what one line would cost over to port over, possibly get a free phone, and I just want to get like the cheapest plan, like the dollar plan.
Gotcha. So this plan is not available at the store. So when you switch, it comes with the, we can either do the 50 or the 60.
So here he's telling me that at this particular store, they don't sell the 15 or the 16 or the $15 plan. I literally have to choose the 50 or 60. Why is this thing advertised? Why is this thing advertised in stores? Why is it there? Like, why do they have all these plan choices if you can't choose them? Let me zoom in here. I have the pamphlet that I was looking at actually right here. Sorry guys about Little John. He's just having a hell of a night, but I have to make my video, so we're just gonna have to go through it. You know what I'm saying, together. But here you guys go. Here's the 50, the 60, the 50, the 40, the 35, the 25, and the 15. Right? Like, why is this guy telling me only the 50 or the 60? I just don't understand. And if that's the case, if this is genuinely the case, Boost, you need to change this. You need to take these things out of your store. You need to take them out of your store and have it so you can, and say clearly on your poster, because I saw a thing in there that says switch and save. Doesn't say anything about being 50 to 60 or anything like that. It literally, you pick up the thing. Plans starting at $15, right? I mean, and then we're gonna hear about an activation plan here soon, or an activation fee, which kind of just blew my mind. After that, I was just like, whoa. I mean, I understand like a little, dude. These people are getting ridiculous because like it's like it was $3 to pay your bill, now it's $4 to pay your bill. I don't know, like all these little service charges and fees and everything like that. It's just getting pretty ridiculous, man. It's sad. It's sad to see that these things are going on. So you see right here, $7 for your phone protection, $5 for the international plan. I know it's kind of blurry, guys, that you can't really see it that well, but I was live streaming and whatnot. So here you go.
In order for you to get the free phone. The first month after that,
What does it say that at? I don't see anything like that. It says that.
they're giving you a $300, $400.
So it's in the fine print. Okay, so I believe him. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and look. Actually, we can actually do it right now. Why the heck not? Right? We can do it right now. Let's go in and do that real quick, if you guys don't mind. Boostmobile.com. Let me look real quick and see if that's an actual thing. Let's see deals here. Boost Mobile online deals. Okay, where's the free? Where's free? I don't know if $20 off. So it's let's see here, deals. Why boost plans, phone support? Okay, deals. So I don't know if they have the free pretty much online. Yeah, no, I don't think they do. Okay, so it's gonna be an in-store, and it's only on the poster. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it kind of sucks because like it makes you not want to trust any of these companies, which is really sad when you're going in there for service and you have to trust these people with your hard-earned cash and with your number that you might have had for a long time. But let's continue on, guys.
So they gotta make some money.
Yeah. So why is this? You said this plan's not available at the store?
Correct.
Wow.
So the plan's not even available at the store. Like, he's not even gonna set you with that. even if it's a new number, even if you're a switching customer, even if it's whatever, you know what I'm saying, new number, it doesn't matter. Like literally, that store is not that plan's not available at the store. So why is it right there? Like explain that to me. Make that make sense, huh? You know what I'm saying? Make that make sense to me, Boost Mobile. Why is this plan right there at the store when it's not available? Like, why even have it in the store? Why even have it? Why even have, you know, things saying it? Why even have it, on the freaking pamphlet that I'm reading right now? It's just stupid. And of course, I know there's gonna be some people saying, "Oh, this, that, and the third, blah, 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 blah." Like, like, come on. And if you're gonna if you're gonna support this, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's like if you go in to like a McDonald's or something, and you just want a little cheeseburger, but they make you get a Big Mac every time. Or if you want to just get a little side salad, and they make you get a freaking full $10 salad. I mean, sometimes you don't want the big meal. Sometimes you don't want the big purchase. Sometimes you want to get something on the dollar menu. So it's basically like this is saying, hey, you can't get this. It's here. It looks like it's here, but it's not really here. It's you can't see me. It's like John Cena. You know what I'm saying? You can't see me. Like, I don't understand that. Anyway, let's continue on.
when you switch. But if you want to do it online yourself,
Yeah.
you can do it. They'll sell.
So if I want to do it online, now he's saying, okay, but I'm not gonna. I don't really want to help you here. I don't really want to take the hit to my commission. But if you want to do it online yourself, then go right ahead, buddy. So that's kind of like, huh? You would think somebody would just want to make a sale at the store and not, what I'm saying. There's nobody else at the store, so it's not like there's 100 people behind me trying to get other phones and stuff like that. So I don't understand this. It's kind of like, oh, you want to get this deal? Go online. I don't know, man.
They'll send you the phone like right away. The next day.
Oh,
So
yeah?
you can do it from home. Yep.
Oh, okay. All right, and let's just say,
So like, basically, he's telling me, yeah, I don't want to deal with you. Just go ahead and do it online and bug off. But go ahead.
all right, what's the cheapest I can do then? Technically,
How many lines are you?
just one. I got a Verizon prepaid,
Gotcha.
and
You
what
want one of the free phones?
and the $50 plan, is that the cheapest you say I can go?
So I mean, there's a $40 plan, there's a $35 plan, a 25, a 15. But at this point, I'm like, all right, this man says 50, right? That's the cheapest I can go. So let's see what he says. So it should just be, if it's a free phone, right? It should just be technically $50. All right, cool. I'll put down $50. Give me that free phone and get me that service. Boom, done, right? No.
Okay. Very odd.
It would be $92.
92. So that's 50 for the.
So where are we getting 92? 92? How's 90? How does that make sense? 92. We're going from 50 free phone, $50 free phone, right? $50 free phone, huh? That's okay. So we're adding $42 in there somehow. How?
Plan and then 40 for what?
For the activation fee.
You said what?
Just an active fee is $35.
$35 activation fee?
So $35 for an activation. How do you guys feel about that? $35 for an activation fee. This is how I feel about a $35 activation fee.
Fuck you very, very much.
Yeah, you got that right. I feel about a $35 activation fee. Okay, like, dude, so I'm paying you $35 for what? It just goes up in smoke. It just to put me on to do your job, to put the SIM card in, to what is the $35 going to? It's just going up in smoke. And then there's an extra 92. Where did the 92? So there's an extra $7. So he's probably counting in the insurance right there, because you can see plain as day You can see plain as day right there. The $7 is insurance, so he's probably calculating that in off rip. So he's like, all right, I can't get him on the $60 plan. I can't get him on this and that and the third. So I'm gonna make him. I didn't even ask that, but as you guys can see, 35 plus 7, that's gonna be 92 right there. So I think that's where that was going. But let's continue, guys.
Wow. I thought it was like 20, 25. What happened to 35? Why is it 35? It's pretty high. Okay. Well, thanks, man. I'm gonna take this pamphlet if you don't mind.
But yeah, so at that point I was just like, yep, I'm out of here. So there you guys have it. Didn't mean to take up too much of your time. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. But yeah, guys, so today Boost Mobile got it, and next time we're gonna go ahead and go into a Cricket Wireless store probably. I'm going to every now they done got me fired up. They done got me pissed. I'm going to every store now. I'm going to everyone. Everybody's gonna get it. Okay, Metro got it first. Boost Mobile got it next. Then we're gonna go to Cricket. Then we're gonna go to Verizon. Then we're gonna go to T-Mobile. We're gonna go to AT&T. We're gonna go everywhere, and it's just we're gonna get the answers, and I'm gonna show you guys what happens. You know what I'm saying? And what you should be looking out for. What you should be looking out for. How these people operate, and hopefully you guys can see what's going on here. So when you try to make a informed decision at your local Boost Mobile store, you don't get bamboozled. And I'm pretty sure this person has bamboozled a whole bunch of people, and messed them up or whatever. So, but anyways, guys, this is the video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all the live comments. Thank you for all the people watching. Appreciate you guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably going to premiere this at 10. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you guys for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review. And if you're Boost Mobile and you want to reach out to me, my email is right down there, and it's always been down there. So if you want to reach out to me, reach out to me. But I'm literally just showing what I see in the store. Nothing, fake, nothing acted. It's real, uncut, and raw. See you guys in a later video. Bye-bye, guys. Sorry. They got me, my blood boiling today.